In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Import. With Import, you can share meal plans, collections, or individual recipes with another member of That Clean Life. You can also use Import to receive meal plans, collections, or recipes from other members of That Clean Life and import them into your own account. You can make any of your meal plans, collections, or individual recipes available for other members of That Clean Life to import. For example, let's say you want to make a meal plan available for another member of That Clean Life to import. First, you would click on the Planner tab and locate the meal plan you'd like to share. Click on Share and toggle the sharing button to On. From there, turn on Allow Imports, along with any other share settings you'd like. Copy the link from under the Details tab and share it with your colleague. When your colleague opens the shared link, they can click on Import to import this resource into their own That Clean Life account. From here, the member who imported the content can find it in their account within a few minutes, and they will receive an email to confirm the import is ready. Imported plans are found under the Planner tab. Imported collections are found under the Collections tab, and imported recipes are found under the Recipe Box tab. Once another user has imported a nutrition resource into their own account, they can use it right away as is, or edit the nutrition resource as they please. And that's how easy it is to use Import.